Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the locations in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the store settings section, look for the locations button and click on that. So this is where you manage the places, you stock inventory, fulfill orders and sell products. So you can use 1, 2, 3, as many locations as you want to, depending on where you are and where you are completing orders. So in order to add location, click on the button, and then you have to give a location name, which can be, for example, Paris warehouse. And then if you are fulfilling online orders from this location, just click on that. And then of course you have to give a full address, like a country, per region, postal code, city, address, apartment suite if it's needed, and also a phone number, and they will find you at this place, and they can locate where you are doing the business. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.